Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe the channel. In the last video, what we saw is how to create a menu. And we created a menu named front menu. And this time I'm going to show you how to create more menus for different pages. Maybe in your website, you don't want only one menu. You want many menus to appear in many different places. Or maybe on one page you need some of the menus to appear, and in another page you want different. So we have already shown that in our website there will be pages like food menu, drinks, booking, private events, contacts. If you want to know how those page has been created, please see our previous videos in this series. So the front menu will go in the front page. But in my chef page, I want different menu. In my booking page, I want another kind of menu. And the rest of the pages, I want different menus. So what I will do is that I will create more menus now. So for the menu to appear in chef page, I'm going to make a menu called chef. So to create a new menu, we are going to leave this one and start making a new menu. So create a new menu, and here menu name will be chef. Though we have a page name as chef, but we can give also the menu name similar to the page name so that it's easier for us to remember later that this menu will come in chef page. So we create this menu, and the menu is created. The only thing you can see, the menu has been created as chef name, and here you can see it's there already, but it does not have any item to be shown. And here it is asking us that add menu items from the column on the left. And here what I do usually is I don't look at the most recent. Always I go for view all, and then it's easy because now you see all of the items and you choose what you want on your menu. So I want in my chef menu that food menu. So I go in the F and I find food menu. I'm adding it to the menu, and you can see on the right side it already appears. You can see it here. And on the chef menu, I want also recommendation. So here you go here and you'll find in the R section recommendation, and add it to the menu. And also I would like to have this blog and also booking in the chef menu. So you have now 4 of the items, okay? And you save this menu, and this chef has been updated with these 4 items. So I would like 2 more menus. One is for booking page, so I would like a different menu in the booking page. So I'm going to create a new menu, and this one I would like to have a name as booking. So when we're going to create the website, and in the booking page we will put this menu on top. So create menu, and you will see that under this now there is no select menu. Now you see there is this menu has been created, and it is asking us to give the items under this menu from left side. So again, I go in the view all, and as it is my restaurant, I would like all the time the food menu to be in my menu names. So the page food menu, I choose this food menu and I add it to the booking page menu. So once we'll be building it later on, it will make more sense to you. Just remember that you are making a menu called booking, and you are giving some items under that menu. So food menu, and I would like the recommendation to come on here. So recommendations, and then I'd like the booking to appear in my booking menu. So sorry, not booking, because it's already in the booking page. So I'm going to delete this one, remove. So if you don't want some items in your menu, just go here and remove the item. Now it is removed from here, but not from here. So instead, so you'd like the vlog. Okay, so I mean, you can choose any page from here and add it to the menu, and this will appear in the right side. And also you can take any item to be removed from your menu. So this is already made. So the booking menu has been made. I'm going to save the menu, and you can see booking has been updated with those 3 items. And now I am going to make another menu, and this menu I'm going to make name is at rest page. What is rest page? Rest of the pages, because I have created the front menu and then shift menu, booking menu, but I have more pages. So these 4 pages will have those 4 menus, but the rest of the pages will have this rest page menu. So what I would like to see on those pages, I would like to see only 2 items from my pages. So I am going to create this menu as a rest page, and you see it is created and it is asking the items from the pages. So I would like only 2 of them. One is booking, so add menu, and another is food menu, because this is restaurant and food menu will always be there. I want it to be there everywhere. Now you can see that your items are stacked here, but one thing I'm showing you, you can actually move them. So your food menu can go on top here, and then booking menu can come down. So you can just click and scroll up and down, and you can readjust them where you want to see them. And also this booking can come under this food menu. So when it will appear in your web page, there will be a drop down, and you will see that under the food menu the booking will come. And if you just take it to the left, they will take different places. And once we'll start building the web pages, it will make more senses to you. So thank you very much for watching, and also remember to follow this series. At the end of this series, we're going to make complete web page using all these items, menu, and then web page and everything. And also I will create a blog page. So this will be a very good tutorial to start for your WordPress journey. Thank you very much.